Hi guys, this is Deepak from Asha24. In this video, I'm gonna explain you about data item. Here we find data item. Data item is used to store variable. Data item is not part of the flow. Data item and collection are the two things which are not inside the flow. They will not be linked. Anyhow, we'll discuss about the collection later. Okay, let's first give the relevant name which stores the value. Its type would be number because it stores the numerical type of value. If you want to give any initial value, click over here and give the initial value. If you want to give any current value, click on here and give the current value. We will discuss about them later. Data item has been created now. If you go, as I told you, it is a list of data items I created. Data item of number type, and in number now I am able to expand this. So result is showing here. So just drag and drop this here, and now if you validate, it won't show error. Now the expression is valid. Now execute your process. Just go there and click this button. I got the result here 50. 20 plus 30 equals 50. So this is very basic functioning. So let us do one thing, guys. Now we will take more data items, because now we have done the hard coded value. We will take this value from data items, take the name X number, and here I will give the value, whatever value is there. Let us say 20. I am giving the initial value. You can't give the value in current value. We should give it in initial value. We can give anything. Let us say 40. I have three data item now, X, Y and result. So I'll do anything on this. I'll get the result. Refresh. Previous value will be erased. I will use the data item. How to work on the data item? One thing to remember, guys. When you work on the data item, in any expression, in collection and this calculation or any stage, it will always show inside the square brackets only, like this. X, whatever you want to do, let's say first X plus Y. Okay, so this is I type manually from keyboard. The easy for you is just drag and drop. Same effect, always have a habit of same effect, right? Always have a habit of typing, because there is a later class topic will come, undefined collection. In that case, these values are not there, but still there will be, these values will be populated. This value we will be showing at the runtime only, at development time. These values are not there. In that case, you have to type. You have no other option. Okay, you heard it right, guys. You have to type rather than dragging and dropping, right? So we will discuss about that thing also. Come back to a data item now. I have stored the value in data item and I am working on data item. Result will be stored on this data item. Result execute. One more thing. Let's go see now. Result is populated to 60. 40 plus 20 equals to 60. This value will be displayed in current value. If I open the property of this data item, also even this value which we have provided in initial values, they will now be in set as their current value.